Hello students, welcome to French Learner Group. My name is Poonam. I am your French language instructor. When you start learning French, I know you must have facing problem with the pronunciation of French vocabulary and vowels. In this video and upcoming videos, I am going to give you the solution on this problem. You must be follow certain rule while pronouncing a word like when two vowels come together or when French consonant come before or after the vowel. Today in this video we are going to learn the sound of vowels with the consonant N. Les voyelles A, E, O, U avec la consonne N. What sound comes when these vowels comes with the consonant N? Let's start. Vowel A with consonant N will give you the sound of on. There will be nasal sound. On. Vowel E with the consonant N, again it will give you the sound of on. Repeat it. On. There is nasal sound. Vowel O with the consonant N will give you the same sound on. Again it's a nasal sound of O. On. Repeat it. O with the nasal sound. On. Vowel U with the consonant N will give you the sound of This is also a nasal sound. If you observe AN, EN and ON has the same sound of O in nasal sound. O. Let's see some example for the more clarification. Janvier. J A N V I E R. Janvier. When you pronounce AN with the prefix Z, the sound of Z will merge with the sound of O and become Jean. Janvier, which means January. Next is on. A-N-S. On, which means ears in plural. S will be silent. We will not pronounce S here. If you write ear in singular, that will be A-N. But the sound will be same. Next is O-N. Which means oneself. Next is calendrier, which means calendar. C A L E N D R I E R. Calendrier. Here, when you pronounce EN with the prefix consonant L, the sound of L will merge with the sound of O and it become long. Calendrier, which means calendar. Next is pendule. P E N D U L E. Pendule, which means clock. When you pronounce EN with the prefix consonant P, the sound of P will merge with the sound of O and it become pon. So, pendule. Next is U-N. Which means one. So students, in this video you learned the vowels with the consonant N. But in the next part, you will learn about the sound of two vowels OI. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon button for the latest videos. As I am getting lot of queries regarding the personal French classes, so I want to inform you about my Skype classes. My Skype ID is poonam.matlotia@gmail.com. I take Skype classes for school students, college going students, for people who are preparing for DELF exam and the people who are aiming to go to any francophone country. So if you are really interested to take any Skype class, please drop a message along with your query on my Skype ID. You can call me on the given number also. Bon courage et bonne continuation.